If you want to turn your website visitors into subscribers before they bounce, exit pop-ups are one of the fastest and most effective tools you can use. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set one up, step by step. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share a tip most people overlook that can double your opt-ins. And there's an exclusive free trial link in the description, so you can follow along with the same tool I use. After testing all the popular tools out there, I've narrowed it down to one software that's incredibly easy to use, fast to set up, and gets results. I'll walk you through it using that software. But this works the same with most of the top tools. Once you're inside the software, the first thing you'll do is create a new campaign. Choose Exit Intent Pop-up or Exit Pop-up, depending on how it's labeled. This type of pop-up only triggers when someone moves their mouse toward the browser's close button or back button, meaning you're catching them right before they leave. Next, pick a high-converting template. Look for one with minimal text, a strong headline, and one input field, usually just an email address. Don't overwhelm them. You want friction-free conversions. Now, customize your offer. Your pop-up needs a compelling reason to subscribe. Don't just say, join our newsletter. Instead, offer something valuable. A free guide, discount, checklist, whatever fits your audience. Make the headline benefit-driven. For example, grab your free ebook before you go, or get 10% off instantly, just enter your email. Then set your display rules. Make sure it only shows on exit intent and only once per session. You don't want to annoy repeat visitors. You can also limit it to specific pages, like your blog or pricing page, depending on where people usually drop off. After that, connect your email marketing platform. The software we're using integrates with almost every major provider. Just plug in your API key or log in directly and you're done. Before you hit publish, preview it on desktop and mobile. You want it clean, fast loading, and mobile friendly. If it feels intrusive, tweak the design to match your brand and tone. Then hit publish and watch it go live. Within a few days, you'll start collecting emails from visitors you would have lost forever, and that's the magic of exit pop-ups. Now here's that bonus tip I mentioned. Add urgency. Use a countdown timer or mention limited time availability in the headline. Something like offer expires in 15 minutes or only 100 spots left. This triggers FOMO and drives instant action. Let's quickly recap. You set up an exit pop-up using our software. Pick a simple, clean template. Make your offer irresistible. Set it to trigger only on exit. Integrate with your email list. Preview on all devices. Add urgency for better conversions. And don't forget, the software we use today comes with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. You'll find the link in the description below. No strings attached. The key takeaway? Exit pop-ups are your last shot to turn abandoning visitors into loyal subscribers. Done right. They convert people who would have otherwise disappeared forever. If this helped, the best next step is to take advantage of that free trial and start capturing emails today. The link's in the description. See you in the next one.